Hi there. In this section, we are going to discuss about a nested if statement in Python. Actually, where you need nested if statement and what is the syntax of nested if statement and how to use nested if statement. Actually, if you have multiple levels of condition to be tested, then you need a nested if statement in a particular condition. You want to check in another condition to execute something, you need multiple levels of if statement. That's where we need to use given example. Suppose you want to understand one female is eligible for marriage and male is eligible for marriage by age. If you want test, then we need to use nested if statement. The reason is eligible age for marriage for female and male is different. So that is the reason first you need to check whether they are male or female. Then you need to check whether age is fall into that particular limit or not. We need to check. So in those kind of scenario, we need to check this multiple level if statement. Without further delay, I will move on to editor where we can test some program with multiple scenario. So I have already created a program. So here in this program itself, I given a scenario. Say for example, first we need to check whether the given number is odd number or even number. If it is a even number, then you need to check whether that even number is divisible by 10 or not. If it is an odd number, you need to check whether it's divisible by 3 or not. So I given a statement already to read a number. Now I'm checking whether it's a even or odd number. So number after dividing by 2, whether it's returning 0 or not. If it is returning 0, then this number is even number, right? Suppose there is a remainder, then the number is odd number. But we need to check after the even number, that number is divisible by 10 or not. Then we need to have one more condition, right? Number divisible by 10 and the remainder is 0, then the given number is given number and by 10. Else even number but not divided by 10. Okay, the same thing like if it is an odd number, we need to check the condition is divided by 3. If it is not, then it's not divided by 3. This is what actually multiple if state, multi-level if statement or nested if statement we can call it. I will execute this program, then you will understand. So I'm giving a number 15. C is odd number but divided by 3. I'll give some even number 22. Even number, it's not divided by 10. I'll give one more number which is divided by 10 also. We'll check. I'm just giving 100. Even number divided by 10. Yeah, it's almost I tested all scenario. You guys can try out a different kind of program using multi-level or nested if statement. Thanks for your time. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.